Yeah. Right. Gunner, is bath time done? Yeah. I'm not a very big fan of bath time. Yeah. You're good though. Yeah, you're good though. You have to stay in.
Hi everyone, my name is Dana. As you can see today, I'm recording sort of a vlog type of video involving Gunner and his spa day. Before I started talking, you guys saw him getting a bath, and you could tell probably by his face he's not the biggest fan of getting a bath. But he needed it, so for the past 3 weeks, my schedule was super busy, super packed with things going on, and I was also out of town for a week too. So because of that, I was unable to, keep up on his nails. Normally I tried to Dremel his nails at least once a week, but with me just being so busy and my schedule being so crazy and me being gone for a week, I wasn't able to do that for those 3 weeks, so his nails have gotten pretty long. And he just is kind of grubby, and he's really itchy with it being summer now. His allergies are getting kind of bad. So I just decided today we'd take care of all of that good stuff. He's not really a fan of any of this, honestly. He doesn't really like his nails being done. He doesn't like his feet being touched. He doesn't like baths, but he tolerates it. And he needs it, and I always give him treats afterwards, so I try to make it an enjoyable experience. when I'm dremeling his nails, I know it's fast forward, so it's hard to tell, but he has one foot on his two front paws that's really sensitive because it hurt one time when he was younger. He was playing really rough during the winter time and it got caught on something and it like snapped in half. And after that, now that foot is kind of sensitive, understandably. So if whenever he pulls it back with the Dremel, I just let him pull it back, and then I'll grab his foot and move it back to where I am, and if he gets uncomfortable, he can move it away and I'll let go. I'm making a video specifically about Dremels in the future, so I'm not going to go too far into it, but I did used to trim his nails with actual clippers, and it was just a super miserable experience. And with the Dremel, you can tell he's still not enjoying it, but he puts up with it enough where I'm not worried about accidentally hurting him. I was always so worried when I was trimming his nails with the clipper that he'd pull away right as I was trimming and something bad would happen. Whereas now, if he pulls away, if it touches his paw, it literally won't even hurt him because I have it at such a low setting. I'm not sure if you can see again with it being fast forwarded, but I literally touched my finger to the Dremel, and I touched a bunch of times to prove to you guys that if it touches me even, it doesn't hurt at all because it's at such a low setting. But yeah, with him being a shelter dog, he has super long nails and his nails grow super fast, so I'm trying my best to keep up with them. But his feet in general are just a whole bloodbath, honestly. So then after I'm done dremeling, I put some of the paw balm that I got from the Natural Dog Company. I'm still using it. It's been working all right. And I put it on his feet. He's super good about that. I honestly think he thinks it feels really good because his feet are so itchy, and just having something to soothe his feet helps him out a lot. Like, most dogs don't like it when you tickle their paw pads and stuff, but he'll stretch his feet open wide when you touch his, like, the inside of his paw, so you can scratch it for him because it's just so itchy. And I'm hoping that the stuff that I got him, I just got him some salmon oil as well, and I've heard that that helps a lot. I really don't want to put him on actual medicine, so I'm hoping all these natural things can help him, but if by this summer it doesn't improve after all my things that I'm doing, I may have to see if I can get him some allergy medicine, because I just feel so bad. I don't want him to be so itchy. That must just be the worst. And then after I put the paw balm on his feet, I then give him a treat because he was so good, and that also helps distract him from licking his feet. And then after he's done with the treat, I put his booties on. They don't fit his feet at all because they're way too big, but I got them not because they're functional. Well, they're functional, just not for what they were made for. I just got them so that he can't lick his feet. They were on clearance, gotta save that money. I didn't get them because they look nice. Like, I hate that color green, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And Gunner would not let the balm do its job if I left him without the booties on. And he can walk around fine with them. He doesn't care. And it's so hot today where we live. He's not going to be very active. He is a very much fall and springtime only dog. He only likes to be outside when it's around 65 degrees, and that's it. I should probably also add a disclaimer: when using a Dremel, make sure you wear glasses, safety glasses. I didn't wear them, but I should probably say that because you're supposed to wear them. I just forgot at the moment. I just slipped my mind, but normally I do wear safety glasses.
not a thought in his head. Bless you.
So if you made it to the end of the video, I want to thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. I'm going to be more active on the platform, so you'll probably be hearing more from me, and I'll be more active on all my other socials as well, which are in the bio down below. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot, and I've been having a lot of fun with this channel. But that is all. Thank you for watching, and thank you for loving Gunner as much as I do.